So today's video is a little different. It's sponsored by IBM, which is a first for us. That's pretty cool. And I have no idea what's going on. So it's meant to be very experiential, and Alex here is gonna be showing me exactly what is inside these black boxes and why they are so very cool. Okay, so what do we do first then?
Just open one.
Okay.
So.
Okay, you bad unboxing form.
Yeah.
Just like, hey camera, here's the thing you were already looking at very, very much already, and you know, it's just gonna kind of hang there. Oh, this is great. If only you could see, if only you could see what was in this box. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay. Inside, you will find an IBM developer
Sticker coaster?
That's a lick one. You gotta lick the back.
Really? It is not. You've got this cute little Tello drone.
It seems to be like pretty capable. And like, even if you don't win one, you can get them for like $100 or something like that.
Oh, speaking of winning, right, that was one of the big things for this whole video is they're actually giving away 1,500 of these kits. So you can check out the details below. We'll tell you a little bit more about it later. But for now, let's just have the experience here. So here's our battery for our Trello drone. This thing is, it's more battery now than drone. Twisted and, well, not evil, but pretty cool anyway. You've got a special code to unlock access to IBM's code pattern to help you program your drone. You get a medium-sized IBM developer shirt.
All right, this one's a large.
Oh,
I think you
cool.
can specify.
And you control it with your phone, I guess.
Yep.
iOS and Android?
Yep.
Cool. Nice wallpaper.
Oh, thank you.
I approve. Got Calvin Hobbes wallpaper. Okay, so we're just joining the Wi-Fi hotspot from this drone.
Yeah, you just connect to Wi-Fi, then you get in a little app. So take off, slide to take off, yep.
Is it black and white? Oh no, it's color, never mind. There we go.
Okay.
Would you like me to fly it? Do you know how to fly a drone?
You can't screw up flying a drone.
You can, and people do.
Yes, I'm just trying to figure out how to, Oh,
okay.
Yes. That's what I was trying to get.
Okay, cool.
It's really good at doing flips. Do you wanna have a little go?
Sure.
Like, it's pretty standard drone functionality, but.
Yeah, it's really stable for a tiny drone. I guess I should expect no less from DJI, but look at that hover. Way, okay. Not bad. All right, okay, so we can land it for now though, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. How does IBM figure into all of this?
So that's the really cool part about this little drone is that it's super easy to program.
So what are we going to program our Tello drone to do?
We're just gonna give it a little routine, kind of like go up, move one way, the other way, maybe do like a little square and then a couple flips.
Oh, cool.
Let's start, no-red. It's pretty simple, but it looks pretty hackery. You do need to know how to use command a little bit.
Okay. And are we connected to the drone's hotspot right now, or are we on the internet?
We're just on the internet right now.
Okay.
But where did you go, Mr. Drone? There we go, hello. So Flow 1, Tello missions, yay.
So this is just a really like visual drag and drop programming interface, but then can you go straight full hacker writing things out if you want?
Oh yeah, like every one of these is like an actual bit of code and you can do kind of whatever you want in it.
Cool.
So let's just see if it's working. So we'll just like hit takeoff.
Wow, that is cool.
Don't hit the light, please. So if we hit...
Can we bring it just like down a bit? Can you override with your phone, or like how does this work? We're straight computer interface,
computer,
that's
yep,
it.
That's,
okay.
That's all we got. Down. How much is 60?
60 centimeters, probably, I hope.
So if we go to the right, let's just get it a little bit away from us.
Yeah.
And
So that was right 30. Want to go right 30 again? That's left 30.
Oh, yep, I clicked the wrong one.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, best way to fly a drone. 2018.
Okay, I wonder what full 360 does.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty
Easy enough.
self-explanatory.
Yep.
It's a good thing that this has a nice stable flight pattern.
And it flips. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Land. Okay.
Okay. Cool. So now we program it to do something.
Yeah. So let's just run this little code and see what happens. So it goes down, does a 360, and then lands. So
It's landed.
yeah, that did work.
Then we could have it fly around the room probably, right? I'm gonna go get a tape
Down.
measure.
50.
Actually, here, do you want to take off from the floor instead? Just make our lives maybe a little bit easier.
Command 0, 1000. So that must be for the takeoff.
Then we'll have it go up maybe another 50 centimeters. So that's about head level.
So instead of down, we want to go up 500.
Then let's go clockwise 90.
Clockwise 90.
So we're kind of mapping out where we're expecting it to go, and then we'll see what happens. Let's fly in a straight line 220 centimeters. Can we do that?
220. Okay.
Okay. And see if it lands on the table. We're asking for a lot here. We understand that. Yeah, this doesn't have a bottom-facing camera, does it?
It does have IR, so something like
that's
that.
not a camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's see what happens.
So yeah, and then all that we have to do to connect them is just take the custom path and we add this little connection here.
Okay, successfully injected, run mission.
So it
Supposed
goes
to go
up.
there. Whoa!
We didn't quite take that one through.
What did we set it to? I thought we set it to 50 centimeters. 500?
No, this is in millimeters.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I wouldn't get too close, David. There goes the continue. It's gonna go up. No. I am pretty sure it's centimeters. Why would you have a granularity of millimeters for something that flies? Like, it doesn't make any sense.
I don't know, millimeters are just nice. We'll just up it all to like 200.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
got the 200. Oh, it's gonna hit things.
Okay, up 50. Then we want to go counterclockwise 90.
Turn.
Come on, turn, baby.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh, it didn't turn. How do you get it to stop? Okay. So why didn't get the clockwise?
You mean counterclockwise?
So yes, let's just make sure that that's...
Wait, did you write CWW?
Oh, it should be CC.
All of them.
Yep, I did that for every single one. So that explains why that didn't work.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here comes the flip. Whey!
Yep. Now, is it gonna hit anything? Oh, it's really close to that chain.
It's really close to that chain. It might make it though. Did you bring it back down, Alex?
Oh no!
Okay. It's supposed to land. Oh, why is it flipping again? Oh, that's the flip. Okay. So it's gonna go forward.
It should land now?
So there you have it. The only limitation is your imagination and your competence.
So that's like pretty cool and all, but
Yeah.
you know, kind of just for like playing around with programming and stuff.
Yeah.
But the actual like powerful part of this is the vision recognition stuff.
So basically you can send imagery to Watson.
Yeah. It can like take a little look at it and then,
Tell you what it is.
yeah.
Wow.
So like, it's pretty cool for like us, and like the IBM guys have had it like go around and like find their dog, or another dog related thing. He has a bunch of tennis balls that he always loses in the yard. So the drone just maps out where all the tennis balls are that he threw for his dog.
What?
Or like there's useful things, like you can have it go up and inspect a cell tower, or like
Wow.
look at like power lines and make sure they're not all clogged up with ice and crap.
So now this is obviously not the unit that you would necessarily use for all of those types of applications, but what it is it's a great affordable learning platform.
What I was trying to do was to get it to find either you or Colton and attack you. But unfortunately, I wasn't quite able to get it to work. So we had it train on a negative, which is pictures of like me, James, Pella, the people in the office that I like, you know. So we have like our find and destroy Colton thing.
Uh-huh.
We did this with 17 pictures of Colton, 15 of you. I just grabbed them off the internet. And if we test this, if we like take a picture of you,
Okay.
and I'll just email that to myself. Drone stuff, take a picture of Linus, copy it in, loading results. Oh, only 59% Linus. So it does recognize that it's you, but it's not as good as the Colton stuff that I was doing. Like if we take a picture of Colton. Here's just a random one, it wasn't in the training.
Yeah, that is 90%
90%.
Colton and only 1% Linus.
Yeah. And like I was able to do this in like 15 minutes.
So we weren't able to get full attack drone capability, and obviously for stuff like the tennis ball or like inspecting cell tower examples we gave before, something like this is probably not quite heavy duty enough, but really the purpose of the Tello drone and these developer kits is to get your feet wet and have something that is surprisingly capable for the price. With that said, you won't necessarily have to buy one because, as I alluded to before, IBM is giving away a whopping 1,500 of these at the link in the video description. So a huge thank you to IBM for obviously supporting the developer community and sponsoring this video, and a huge thank you to you guys for watching. If you disliked the video, you can hit that button, but if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, or maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured at the link below. Also down there is our merch store, which has cool shirts like this one, and our community forum, which you guys should totally join.